we want to make, and everything is you can put it together as a modular piece. So I'm going to go to Maya and start with a pipe tool and rotate it. I don't have interactive creation here. I have like I'm holding down the J to rotate, of course, but I don't have interactive creation. You can always do that if you want. I deactivated the interactive creation, so everything just pops in the middle of the grid. Now this one, I'm going to start with 10, just and get rid of the back faces, all the depth. I don't need it. I just need to start with the shape. And go back to my right view, turn on the wireframe on shaded, and scale this piece, and get these vertices, scale them also. I think it's thin shape. So now I'll try this, and that doesn't seem to work in terms of symmetry. So I have to like try a couple of things. I'm gonna start again with the pipe tool and see what's best, because I want to make it snap. All the points need to snap. So this, I'm gonna do 12. Let's increase the radius. Let's see if this works. And actually the 12 work. 12 subdivisions work. The reason I see a better pattern happening here than here. Things are not gonna snap perfectly with these subdivisions. So I'm gonna delete everything and start over. So now I know that I want a 12 subdivision. So let's do the radius first. Let's do 12 subdivisions. So that's gonna work. And I'm gonna get rid of the back. So I have the shape. Now duplicate that, move it up here. Duplicate that, move it down here. So now this looks like it's possible. So of course I need to select it, hold down the D, hold down the V, snap the pivot here, hold down the V, snap it here. So do the same thing for that one. D, V, snap. And now this is clearly a pattern that works. Duplicate that. Duplicate this one. So I have all these pieces. I'm going to select them all and combine. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab these vertices, the inner ones, and go and say components merge to center. Select them, merge to center, and merge to center. So these I'll do the same. I'm clicking the G because it's the previous command. So actually whatever I did before, it will repeat it. So now I have everything. I don't need these pieces. So I have half of it. And now I'm just going to I'm going to mirror the geometry. Mirroring the geometry is very simple. You have to see. Let's bring the pivot here. So here's the pivot point. Now this is Z, this is Y. So mesh, mirror geometry. We got to tell this to move minus the Z. And merge with original and vertices. Apply. Now we have everything merged. Okay, so now this should be fine. Now we need to just add the thickness. And we're going to do it just with extrusion. And now it's all about going and adding bevels and edge loops. I mean, I would definitely bevel the entire outline of this, the exterior edge and the interior ones. So it takes a little time to select everything. So double click on all these edges, edge loops. And make sure before you bevel that you have selected everything you need. I think I'm missing that piece. So all the outline and all the inner parts. And I'm going to go and bevel that. Fraction of 0.8. So that looks good. Now I need to sharpen it more. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding some edge loops. So edge loops. Reset the tool. One over here, one over here. So something happened and I don't see the bevel happening here. I think I missed a piece. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna back step a bit. I missed one piece for the bevel. So that's the other one. And okay, now I think everything is collected. I'm gonna go again and bevel again, and basically I want the absolute bevel to work. Okay, the absolute bevel is better if you go and access it from here, because it's all about the offset. So that's good. And now I can go and add the edge loops. I'm going to pause the video because I think I missed it again. I missed some area. So I'm going to go back, do it again, and then add the... I keep missing some edges. So I'm just going to pause it.